My name is Mansi Verma and I am your AI robotics engineer. So today my students are going to do an experiment how the multiple LED on and off with the help of push button. Let us start it.
Today we will make a simple LED circuit using a breadboard.
We are using push button, LEDs, register and battery.
Now we will connect all LEDs on the breadboard carefully. These are LEDs.
And this is a resistor insert in the breadboard.
And this is the push button.
And this is the battery. When we press push button, switch on electricity flow through the circuit.
Now the LEDs are glow.
This experiment helps us understand how an electric circuit works.
Breadboards are very useful for making circuits. Electronic and robotic are fun and easy to learn. Thank you.